Friends, it is said that you should always be better than yourself. If you are not happy with yourself, then you need to change something or the other. Then upgrade yourself a little. Whatever you are, see, all the people in this world remain crazy about 4 to 5 selected things throughout their life: money, love, wealth, and respect. Today we will talk about respect. You will find 15 to 20 such rules of respect. I will tell you that I will complete every rule in just 30 to 40 seconds. You sit down with a copy pen and believe me. Why believe it? You apply my 5 starting rules. If your respect has not increased from the first day, then you will not lose your trust. Unsubscribe and never watch my video. We go directly to Podet. The first rule is that whenever someone is speaking, listen to him with full attention. Do not speak in between, and also make sure that when you speak, if the other person listens to you completely, he should also not speak in between. See, whenever you listen to the other person very carefully and do not speak in between, then it makes you appear to be a mature person. And your respect is there. It immediately increases in the eyes of the other person. And also keep this in mind that it's not only you who has to listen. Just make sure that the other person also listens to you. Listen to you carefully and do not interrupt. If he repeatedly interrupts you, does not listen to you, he only wants to speak and not listen, then immediately cut off the cards from such people. Here your respect will not be improved, but will be spoiled. Second rule is, whenever someone insults you, the trick is not to react immediately. Just silently look into the eyes of the person in front of you, and that person will immediately notice your fear. You must have seen that when a river swells, when it is not deep, it makes a lot of noise. Tomorrow, 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 tomorrow. It sounds like a lot, but it makes a sound. But when the water of the river becomes deep, then it becomes calm. The more depth the person has in the water, the more knowledge and the more maturity a person has, the more calm he remains. Stop overreacting on everything. Stop overreacting. Stay calm. People will notice your anger. If I am repeatedly emphasizing on something, then understand it. That rule is very powerful. Now let's talk about the third rule. And the third rule is apna jo pochar hai vo brahi. See, your pochar jo pochar plays a very big role in your first impression. So apna jo pochar hai. You have to correct it. The question arises, how to do it, brother? Tell me directly. In 10 seconds, the problem you are facing will be corrected. You just have to do these 3 things. Go in front of the mirror and eat it. It is not necessary to become straight. You have to bend a little to the side. After that, your spine is complete. Straighten it a little. Move your shoulders back a little. If your neck is too forward, then move it back a little.